Deep in the Dubai desert, I found this abandoned giant. A Boeing 747-400, left to rot in the sand.
The damage is severe. Sand has eaten the metal, and the gear is seized. But for $5,000, I'm taking the risk.
The cockpit is silent. Every instrument is dead. Reviving this brain will be the challenge of a lifetime.
Deal sealed. First mission. Get this massive bird out of the graveyard before the sun sets.
It took 3 trucks, but she finally broke free. The earth shook as the 747 moved for the first time in years.
Welcome to the hospital. Here, we turn this scrap metal back into the queen of the skies.
Stage 1. Prep. We built a city of scaffolding. We need access to every inch of this surface.
The washdown. High-pressure jets strip away years of Dubai sand. The original white paint finally emerges. Water isn't enough. We coat the plane in chemical foam to break down the deep oil residue.
It takes a full team. Every rivet, every panel is scrubbed by hand to ensure a clean base.
Dirt gone, damage revealed. Scratches and corrosion are everywhere. Now we know the real battle.
The engines are dead, seized solid and full of debris. We have to remove them for a total rebuild.
Dropping a 747 engine is delicate. One slip costs thousands. We slowly lower the massive turbine. With engines off, we sand the wings. We're removing deep corrosion pits to make it aerodynamically perfect.
We are stripping this bird naked. Chemicals bubble up the old paint, revealing the raw skin beneath.
A rare sight. A 747 in pure, polished aluminum. No paint, just... The old nose was cracked. The face of the aircraft must be perfect.
We're tearing down the landing gear, replacing hydraulic seals, and checking the steel for stress fractures.
New shoes for the lady. We're mounting a full set of fresh rubber, rated for high-speed impact. Structural integrity is key. Precision welding repairs a hairline crack in the cargo door frame. Every window had UV damage. We popped them all out. Clear views are essential for the luxury experience. In go the new panes. Crystal clear and reinforced. Vital for maintaining cabin pressure.
The nervous system. Miles of wiring are tested. One bad connection could ground the flight.
Out with the old. We're upgrading to a modern glass cockpit. Digital precision replaces analog dials.
Back to the engines. Each fan blade is hand-polished to reduce friction and look incredible.
The core assembly requires surgical precision. New bearings, fresh oil. This engine will run like new.
The heart transplant. Lifting the rebuilt engines back onto the wings is a massive milestone.
We're inside the wing tanks, using UV light to ensure the sealant is perfect and leak-free.
Power to hydraulics. Watch the flaps. Smooth, steady movement. The bird is waking up.
Power to hydraulics. Watch the flaps. Smooth, steady movement. The bird is waking up.
Soundproofing and insulation. We line the fuselage to keep the cabin quiet and warm.
The old floor was rotted. We're installing new composite panels for a solid foundation.
Retrofitting modern overhead bins. Larger capacity and integrated LED mood lighting. A special touch. A fiber optic starlight headliner. Passengers will sleep under the open sky. The carpet sets the tone. Deep royal blue, custom woven, and incredibly soft. The galley gets a gourmet upgrade. Espresso machines and granite counters. Fine dining in the sky. Here come the thrones. automated first-class suites that turn into lie-flat beds. The main cabin gets ergonomic seating, 4K screens, and fresh upholstery for everyone.
The best seat in the house. Restored with traditional sheepskin for the captain.
Interior done. Now the exterior. Precision masking is the difference between a mess and a masterpiece.
First, the primer. This green coating bonds to the aluminum and prevents corrosion.
The classic white base. Layer after layer of high-gloss aerospace paint.
The tail fin is our billboard. We apply the custom insignia, standing tall and proud.
Painting done, now we polish. We buff the surface until you can see your reflection. The reveal. Stripping the scaffolding. Seeing her fully restored takes my breath away.
Engines start, the turbines spin up. The whine turns into a roar. She's alive.
Systems check. Hydraulics, navigation, electrics. All lights are green. Final detailing. Not a speck of dust allowed. It has to be showroom ready.
Time for sun. We push her out. The light hitting that fresh paint makes it all worth it.
From a wreck in the sand to this masterpiece. The Queen of the Skies has returned.
Parking brake released. She's moving under her own power to the active runway. Lined up. Tower clearance received. Time to see if this bird can still fly.
Full throttle. 80 knots. V1. Rotate. The power is immense.
We have liftoff. She climbs effortlessly. No shakes, just pure flight.
Cruising at 30,000 feet, you'd never guess this plane was buried in sand. Inside, it's perfect, quiet, and peaceful. We've saved a piece of history.
Heading home. The test flight was flawless. The risk paid off. Contact approach.
Project 747 is complete. From scrap to king of the ramp. Thanks for watching.